yes, guys, I hope you like our new space.
Yeah, no?
Yes. Oi, Bigfoot.
Sorry, I like a technical difficulty there.
Guys, we really and truly hope the fun now will be a bother.
Yeah.
Really and truly, because around here kind of hot. But it's not really hot still, you know, but, you know, we don't around here, it's kind
Try
of
it, try it back, look away, on time, so it's nice. They're around us.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, so what go on? I want to like a little
Area,
we look reasoning corner. So you want to call it?
Yeah.
Or we get a different name?
reason,
Reasoning corner?
review kind of.
Review corner.
Review kind of.
Yeah.
So, as I tell you, so we will give a little synopsis
A little synopsis.
of what we are going to do. Right? We don't really want to give away too much, but just know, say, this will be our review corner. We still, as I said to you, so we still are going to do a little vlogs and stuff then, but anytime we are going to review, and yeah, so a little spot where we are going to use for review and drink a little thing
and chat
talk
with you
about
guys.
it, you see it, and make you see some little snippets, right word, as certain things, and you don't know. So January, as we say, we want it to be fresh. When time when you see January, it's like, oh, so this them that talk about. So I don't really want to tell you, no, I want it to be kind of like, oh wow, I think I like this, or I don't really like this, but I think you guys might like it. I think so.
Yeah. But hold on, every time I turn my head away and come back away, the camera get back bright, like the screen get back bright.
No, so don't turn your head away.
No, I have to just keep looking this way.
Yes. So, as we're telling you still, so this is just, what may I say, extra? Whatever extra, what may we call it again?
I don't remember. I never know when you talk.
It's not an extra, it's just, because we're going to upload the video, a video of us setting up the area, and then this is a bonus. I was saying it's a bonus. So this is just a sharp bonus video and nothing too...
Showing us something what going on. Because not pre-what going on. Watch out. Let's see what going on. Watch out, people. Blue that you see. Watch out.
So you have to hold it down with the...
Grip, brother. Hey, see that? Watch out again. Watch out. Oh, so we can set the mood in a boy. Red, green, and blue. One of that. Watch out now. Ha!
Aye.
Ha! Watch your style again. Watch it again. Watch it. Smooth. True up. You see that? Oh. Feel like a joke thing.
Crazy.
We'll go back in my blue mood.
Blue,
Yeah.
he's blue. So, yes. So, basically, what we're going to know is just telling you about the accident. Remember, we were telling us we did meet in an accident. And we're going to look a story time and that. A long time we're drawing out now because we post so much other things and don't post about it. So as I said, this is just a short bonus video. We just talk about the accident and we're going to say, oh, and then just get over it. Alright, so you want to start it off?
You want me to talk about it?
Yeah. I mean, we just jump in.
Alright, so.
You want some? May I share?
Yeah, give him some?
He might not like one. He might not like me. He want to drink alcohol like feet.
So, alright. I don't remember the exact date, yeah? Maybe I should get that before me forward.
It was in August though.
On the thing.
It was
But
August.
Anyway.
Remember that I'm looking at the police report.
Okay, and I think she never feel well. Or she just have to do a routine checkup over the doctor across from where we live. Just right across the road. Right, so we decided that we're going to go across the road, go over the doctor's office. So, you don't know whether they will walk and talk. You know, walk and correspond and go and do all little regular things. Same like when you see we are going with recording and show you don't see them way. Just a walk and a chat and a laugh and a whatever. So, we stay so boom and a walk. Reach out at the main road. Right? So we were walking on the
right left hand side.
no man. Alright, let me see. We are walk on the right hand side of the road.
Alright, right going.
Yeah man, the right hand side. Based on the position where we in we up on the right hand side of the road. So we have face vehicles where come down on the left. But
So we were going this way, like going that way, and the vehicles were coming this way. So
yeah, so we have face the vehicle and we are forward towards our side. So we are look for cross the road. There was a minibus, like a 6 bus, yellow 6 bus them. Yeah.
Hope more people who know the yellow bus.
We run from, for who want to know, they run from Bayside to Spanish Town. You know, and vice versa. Spanish Town back to Bayside. That's them termination point. So, we walk and attack and we look for cross the road. But there was this bus coming down, right? And we see when the bus passing them. We can't see the bus. It pass.
Feel the breeze pass, you know, it pass so hard. Like.
Yeah man, we see the bus when it pass. But we not really pay the bus no mind because we not...
Yeah, we not look there now if we see nothing and come back.
We don't look for bus and have a bus we want.
Yeah.
So we look to see if it's safe to cross the road. So we stay so boom now and the bus pass and we are walk. And to be honest guys, I don't know what happened. I only feel an impact in my back. I don't know what happened. Because the bus pass as me say, and I don't look back for bus because the only part where we can look, if we say a vehicle are from the opposite side of the road. You understand what I say? So when me feel the impact now, me only find myself a ground underneath the bus. You understand what I say? When me look, me see Kayan a ground. And Kayan get up and try to draw me out from underneath the bus because the man a reverse same way. Oh, I never tell you what happened. The man itch a reverse.
Because them see one passenger at the bus stop when pass already, you know.
No, the doctor see the passenger.
The doctor see the passenger at the bus stop. And pass, see him at the bus stop, tell the driver to reverse.
Yeah.
The driver him they on the side of the road because him pull off of the road.
Yeah, soft shoulder.
Him come on the side of the road and a reverse. And him nah reverse slow, him a reverse so hard.
Fast, the man pitch me over the ground, me and can pitch you down the
So
ground.
how me feel was like, me go forward, right? Go down on the ground, me don't have on my slippers anymore. When me look Mr. Junior underneath the bus, so me start drawing out because I see the bus still a reverse. But at this time, it's like, I don't know, must God make him slow down. Because at this time, the bus
Then no hear the man hear the big old boof. I hear the boof, you know.
I know, so I don't know where me get the strength from, but me get it and me drive from underneath the bus. And as I said, the bus still a come back. I don't know if the driver panic or whatever happened, but the bus still a reverse, right? When me a draw Junior. So I start beat the bus. Me dry him out. The whole time Junior sit down on the ground is like, him don't know what to say.
People, I know must say I wonder, say, how that possible? The bus now back glass? No.
No, I'm gonna put up a picture with the bus. I'm not gonna see. The bus had no back glass. It was like
piece of plastic.
bag.
Piece of
With
garbage
tape,
bag or
tape,
something
tape,
with
tape.
beer tape on it. So
So
it
it
look
could
like it
fit
leak out
behind.
already long before the bus lick me down here and down the ground.
I say, when me driving from underneath the bus, me never even, I say, yo, one day if me get hurt or anything, it's just that me, I say in my head say, the driver still a reverse, Junior under the bus, me don't want the bus squash him. And, me don't want the bus squash him. So me I drive out and I saw now the people start the bus stop, come start beat the bus and like the people who did there at the back of the bus start make noise. So the bus came to a complete stop. Everybody start come out of the bus now and I say, Jesus Christ, oh God. The doctor come like him turn idiot.
Doctor idiot, him not turn idiot.
The driver come out come like him turn idiot. He was so sorrowful, but it's like him don't know what to do. I say, people, if I didn't me get lit down out the people that not pass and I say, but whenever girl like alright and go about them business.
I couldn't even move people. I sit down on the ground for a good 20 minutes and I wonder, say.
The whole of Portmore come out. Junior, yo, you good? Lee, what you good? Me I tell you, it's like, yo, we don't know how to do. I want to go on this. So we can say, it's okay. It's okay. It's like,
hey,
what?
The driver scoop me up fast, Virgin, and say, come carry that doctor.
The man start teaching for real. Me I tell you, people stopping on the middle of the road that obstruct traffic.
Oh,
Just
God.
come out. Yo, Junior, you good? Taxi man come out. The car turn cross. We on the road. Me like,
You
you
want
know
that?
say, if alright, God, nobody not alright. Nobody not knows nothing to me. Because when them come, them say, him on the ground see him, you can never get up.
Couldn't get up.
Him on the ground with him hand.
Me shock.
And him in the middle of the road, and me a try for this drive.
Me shock.
The vehicle a pass to come out of the road.
Me shock people, because me I said, one time I said to her, I said, when I sit down, I think I'm in the doctor office, I sit down and pay and I walk me, man, I said to her, I said, I can't believe this. I don't remember how much at the time. But me I said to her, I said, let me just say, big old 30-year-old man like me. When me a picnic and when me a do rudeness, run cross road and I do a sort of thing, me never get licked down. And big old man like me, I know I get licked down. I said, I couldn't believe people. I swear, me sit down in the road with my hand and just a look. So I said, John, no start.
It
Trust
was
me.
such a scary, believe me, it was such a scary situation, right? That, may I tell you the truth, the only thing in my mind was Junior underneath the bus. Take him from underneath the bus. The bus are reverse. Take him from underneath the bus. when me done draw Junior from underneath the bus and everything, as me I said, nobody come like them. To me I draw him and me I try ask him, alright? And me I check him, your foot broke, me I check him. Him himself never even know say me get hurt.
No.
Him himself never know say bus with me. Because me just fly up, because me see what going. It's like,
Why, I tell
me
you.
don't know what kick in, and me just fly up. I start grabbing my half time say my slippers underneath the bus, because the bus, the driver have to basically drive off the bus to get my slippers to show you how far underneath from the bus.
Shaggy never sing nothing wrong, boy. Strength of a woman, Virgin. I tell you, boy, I'm strong.
And me jump up and because in my head the bus I go reverse and run over him. You understand? So me jump up and draw him from underneath the man, and me I tell you, I'm going to talk about it now. It was so scary. After when them go in the vehicle and him talk and me check him, me say, alright, me say him get a couple cuts and bruises. Him end up look and say me get a couple bruises for my foot. So my foot did cut, and me I tell him I want man thing, and my foot start swell up. Him realize that me get hurt, and he say, John, the whole time me never even know say you get hurt. Me think you the boss never lick you. Me say, what you say? The boss lick me, and my head do go back, so I'm gonna go back and go forward.
It was a frightening experience, boy. I tell you, very frightening, boy.
It could have turned. It could have been so much worse.
But give thanks to God, we're still there.
It could have been so much worse.
And
So
drink a one stout.
I know. So it was, as me say, it was such a scary situation. We go to the doctor, and then we go to the police station and report the incident and thing, and all the driver, all the doctor they call him?
Dr. Cut.
The doctor follow we go
Dr.
at the
Joe.
police station.
You
And you come at the police station with
I don't remember, yeah, man.
I think if we come at the police station, we do kind of tell the guy, they tell the driver, say, come on now, and the man say, yo, I can't just let the people them so. He say police station, man say, come on now, and he go and just jump on the next bus. Him totally take for himself out of his story. And we end up getting contact with the owner of the bus, and that's one next story for itself. That is the ongoing situation. So as soon as that finalizes,
the matter,
update on the
the matter don't even resolve yet.
Yeah.
And that it happened about
2
years ago. The matter not resolved yet. It's still in a court of law.
Sort out. So as soon as we get any update on the situation, we will definitely update you, the family. So when you can know the concern and hear the story, kind of, we're not gonna be concerned about the whole situation and thing. But we are okay. Maybe later on down the line, we're going to end up start feeling some pain in our foot and our neck and our back and all them
feel some random pain in my ankle and
then
my lower back and then we there, brother.
So maybe when time we get older, all of them pain they're going to end up but we know we are okay.
One time.
If you know we are okay. But guys, we really and truly just glad that we are here now so we can just tell them the story. And it's not the first accident Junior have been in. He has been in a serious accident one time, but that after next time. A very serious boom flick, rolling and all type of thing. But we do know, you know, see me, oh Jesus, people, we're telling that story and showing me picture, them when I go ball and never believe say how serious it was. But
yeah, man, that was
see me right now.
That did very serious. God dip on my side, you know, and an accident will take me out. A purpose.
So guys, I see Rihanna did right, you know, she said me laugh and I laugh me eye. You know, it's not want to see joke. But guys, thank you for watching the video this far. As we tell you, it was just a little extra. So
yeah,
I don't know the long and drawn out. We just be sorry for the whole heap of powder and my chest the place add some for powder up. And my neck rush up, so I have to powder up.
Fair thing, a baby.
If me no powder up, but you see me at the best of me when I say no. When I powder up, I come like a lotion me use got my bed.
No, baby, this and kill me. The sinus kill me, brethren, because me on a sniff powder.
If police come in one of them days, you know, they're not trouble, because I think of something else in myself. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. I really enjoyed setting up the area for you guys, and I can't wait for what is in store. So remember, if you're watching the video this far and you're new, remember to subscribe, right? And
like. Oh, where is it? Sorry. Yeah, guys. You have to cut her off. She's going to want to take from my glory. Remember, if you are new to the channel, you know, and you reach this far, even if you don't reach this far, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share so that others can see the content, you know what I mean, and get to laugh and, you know, share the moment. And the long time subby them, big up on yourself as usual and don't know anything go. You see me? So, thank you guys again
for watching,
for tuning in to K and J Vlogs and Adventures. That's what it means?
Yes.
Right?
So you ask people so name, you must know your channel name.
No, remember, sometimes you have brain lapse. You know what I think already?
It's more than brain lapse, yeah. But anyway guys, remember as him said, if you hit the subscribe button,
don't know.
please press the like button and comment. So the next video we're gonna do is the challenge as we were telling about before, so I have that to look forward to.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see wow. I smell it them from now.
Yeah man, lip hot.
So soon the next time, and as we always say, stay safe.
Stay safe.